Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see the admission notification. It is from Central University of Jharkhand. So here comes the PhD courses we'll see. So PhD in Contemporary and Tribal Customary Law. It is 3 seats are there, and then PhD in Transport Science and Technology, 4 seats are there. PhD in Computer Science and Technology, 2 seats are there. PhD in Commerce Financial Studies, so it is 11 seats are there. You can see that Mathematics having 3 seats, and then Far East languages, so it is 2 seats are there, and then you can see that Hindi there is 3 seats, and then Politics and International, so it is 8 seats are there. You can see that Mass Communication having 4 seats, and then Chemistry 8 seats, Geoinformatics 10 seats, English 5 seats, Physics there is no seat. They have mentioned it, maybe a printing mistake. In education, it is 6 seats. So there are specialization also, like any area of education, you can select a specialization. In nanotechnology, there are 8 seats, and then tribal studies 7 seats, and then life sciences 2 seats, and then performing arts 2 seats. You can see that theater arts also having 2 seats. Energy engineering there are 7 seats. Environmental sciences 10 seats. Business administration 8 seats. Geography, you can see the 2 seats. Public administration, so here comes it is 2 seats are there, and then PhD in water engineering and management, so there are 2 seats. So you can see that the eligibility criteria for PhD is any master degree which is closely to relevant to the subject which you are applying. And if you have qualified the UGC net, so here it is mentioned that if you are getting UGC net, UGC CSR net, SLAT, JRF, GATE, MPhil, so you are exempted from the entrance examination. You can directly join, but you have to apply through the CUSET link I will give in the description box. You have to directly appear the interview, though you can get admitted into PhD in Central University of Jharkhand, Ranchi. So if you would like to get more admission notification, please do subscribe to Revamp It YouTube channel. Thank you.